Hey there, fellow productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: boosting productivity, tips, and tricks for effective time management. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and struggling to make the most of your time, this video is for you. So, let's get started. We live in a fast-paced world where time is one of our most valuable resources. Learning to manage it effectively can significantly enhance our productivity. Here are some amazing tips and tricks to help you level up your time management skills. Tip number 1. Create your productivity haven. Find a calm and clutter-free space where you can focus on your tasks. It could be a dedicated office, a cozy corner, or even a cafe. Remember, your environment plays a crucial role in your productivity. Tip number 2. Utilize the right tools. There are numerous digital and physical tools available to assist you in managing your time effectively. From to-do list apps to calendars and timers, finding the right tools that resonate with you is essential for staying organized and on track. Tip number 3. Prioritize self-care. It may sound counterintuitive, but taking care of yourself is vital for productivity. Engage in regular exercise, practice mindfulness or meditation, and ensure you get enough sleep. Remember, a healthy mind and body are the foundations of productivity. Tip number 4. Embrace the Pomodoro technique. This time management method involves working for a set duration, like 25 minutes, followed by a short break. It's a fantastic way to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Plus, it adds a bit of excitement to your work routine. Tip number 5. Minimize distractions. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are everywhere. Turn off notifications, block distracting websites, and establish boundaries with your colleagues and loved ones. By eliminating or minimizing distractions, you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. Tip number 6. Plan ahead. Spend some time each day or week to plan your tasks and prioritize them. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. When you have a clear roadmap, it's easier to stay focused and make progress toward your objectives. Tip number 7. Collaborate and delegate. Recognize that you don't have to do everything on your own. Delegate tasks to team members or colleagues. Leverage their strengths and foster a culture of collaboration. By working together, you can accomplish more and create a positive and productive work environment. So there you have it. 7 fantastic tips and tricks to enhance your time management skills and boost your productivity. Remember, improving your productivity is an ongoing process. It requires commitment and practice. So, start implementing these tips one by one and observe the positive changes in your daily life. As you incorporate these strategies into your routine, don't forget to track your progress. Keep a record of your achievements, celebrate your successes, and learn from any setbacks along the way. Remember, productivity is not about being busy. It's about being efficient and making meaningful progress towards your goals. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to improve productivity through effective time management. We hope these tips and tricks have inspired you to take charge of your time and make the most out of every moment. Remember, you have the power to shape your days, prioritize what truly matters, and achieve your dreams. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch your productivity soar. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, keep rocking those productivity goals. See you soon.